Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2 family house for sale. It sits on 0.35 acres of land. It is located in South Haven, Yallahs, St. Thomas. Some features of this house includes grilled for extra security, double carport, kitchen with breakfast area, living and dining space, etc. This fully fenced property is just off the main road and a few minutes drive from the Yallahs town center. This property offers ease of access to Kingston. With the new highway Harbour View, will be within 15 minutes. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 24 million or US $155,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.